Friends, welcome to my channel HSWari. Friend, today in this video I will show you how you can make folders of apps in your Redmi Y3 mobile phones. So you can put more than 2-3 apps in one folder, so you can manage your home screen. So first of all I will show you that I am using Redmi Y3 mobile phone. Here you can see that I am using Redmi Y3 mobile phone. So in this mobile phone, if you have to make a folders of app, simply put one app on other. Like I'm putting this app on this app. So if I'm leaving, you can see that the folder is made of these two apps. So so it's very simple to make a folder of apps in Redmi Y3 mobile phone. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.